Have you ever wondered about the companies that are at the forefront of the crypto revolution and where they actually operate from? It's easy to think of the biggest names in tech being in places like Silicon Valley, but the crypto world is a truly global landscape. Today, we're diving into a fascinating case study of a company that has been through it all, from being a pioneer to a near collapse, and then a surprising comeback. And it all leads back to one very specific city. We're talking about Bitwala. Bitwala is a name you might recognize, especially if you've been following the intersection of traditional banking and cryptocurrency in Europe. Their mission has always been to be a bridge, connecting the world of fiat currency with the decentralized world of crypto. They were one of the first to offer a solution that allowed people to manage both a regular, SEPA-compliant bank account and a Bitcoin wallet in one place. This wasn't just a simple app, it was a complex dance with a highly regulated financial system. To make this work, they had to partner with a licensed bank, ensuring customer deposits were protected by German deposit guarantee schemes. This strategic decision, a necessity for their business model, immediately points us to their home base. Bitwala's headquarters, and its entire operational foundation, are located in the heart of Germany. More specifically, they are headquartered in Berlin. This detail is far more than just a pin on a map. It's the key to understanding the company's DNA. Berlin has emerged as a major hub for fintech and crypto startups, creating a dynamic ecosystem of innovation. By being based here, Bitwala could navigate the strict, but also clear, regulatory environment of Germany. This level of oversight is a double-edged sword. It makes things difficult and slow, but it also provides a level of legitimacy and security that many less regulated crypto companies simply can't offer. And this regulatory path is exactly what led them to a major roadblock. At one point, Bitwala rebranded to Nuggs, and for a while, things were going well. They grew to hundreds of thousands of users. But then came the perfect storm, a crypto bear market, a global economic downturn, and the insolvency of a key partner. The company, then known as Nuggs, had to file for insolvency. Many people thought that was the end of the story. But it wasn't. The founders, armed with the knowledge of what went wrong, acquired the intellectual property and the brand name. They saw that the demand for a regulated, secure, and user-friendly crypto banking experience was still there. And they started from scratch, building a new version of the company under the original Bitwala name, once again, from their base in Berlin. The story of Bitwala is a testament to the resilience of a company and its founders, and the importance of location in the crypto world. Operating from a highly regulated financial capital like Berlin isn't just a matter of convenience, it's a strategic choice that defines their entire business model. It's the reason they can offer a product that feels safe and legitimate, and it's why they are once again building a bridge for a new generation of crypto users. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.